says, here are the equations of 5 straight lines. 2 of these lines are parallel, write down the 2 parallel lines. So it is quite tempting to see that I have a 2 here, and I also have a 2 here. So I could say these are the 2 lines, but this is not correct. The reason being is because line E is not in the format, of y equals mx plus c, of y equals mx plus c. So to do a question like this, guys, what you should do is you should always try to get it in the format of y equals mx plus c. So for example, line A is in the format of y equals mx plus c, so that's fine. So I'm not going to touch that. Line B, for example, well, I can see that I've got a 2y here. So let me divide everything by 2. So 2y is equal to x plus 3. So I will need to do y equals 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. Yeah, does that make sense, guys? I've just divided everything by a 2 here. And when you think about it, let me put this here because this is quite important. When you have an x by itself, right, you can just put a 1 here, can't you? So when I divide by 2, I just get 1 over 2x. Does that make sense, guys? I just want to give a couple of seconds. This is an important thing. Is that all clear? Okay, cool. I'm going to highlight in blue all of the lines that we do, yeah? So C now is 4y is equal to 3x plus 4. This topic is called the equations of lines, yeah? Thank you for that, Charlie. Just asked the question. Yeah, this topic is the equation of a line. Yeah. So now this one, line C, we've got 4y is equal to 3x minus 2. So therefore, we need to divide by 4. So it would become y here is 3 over 4x minus 2 divided by 4, which is the same as 1/2. But I'm just going to leave it like that for now, just so you guys can see the structure, divided by 4. And this is the next line. Yeah. And then for D, we can see that it's 2y is equal to 4x minus 1. And then if I divide by 2, I get y here, 2x minus 1 over 2. And then for E, we've got 3y is equal to 2x minus 2. So when I divide by 2, I get y. 2 divided by 3x minus 2 over 3. So these are our lines, yeah? And as we can see from here, right, we can see that our gradient are the numbers in green for each one, yeah? Numbers in green. So which 2 lines are parallel? It must be A and D, because A has a gradient of 2 and so does D, yeah? So the answer is A and D. Does that make sense for the people that answered this question? I'll just give a couple of seconds just in case, because that is quite important in terms of rearranging. Okay, I think we're all on the same page.